VRC, back with another A979 Wltoys video. This video we're going to fit some metal hubs, front and rear. So I got these today in the post, a bit annoyed, didn't come with any bearings. Description said they come with bearings. It also came with metal top plate, but in the description it didn't have this, which is what I wanted off. I didn't want that on, but I suppose I can cut it. Didn't really want to, but you have to deal with what you've got sometimes. So I'm going to fit these hubs. Waiting on some bearings. If any of you viewers out there are English based, well, UK based should I say, and you know of any UK sellers on eBay or anywhere that sells them, if you drop a comment on or check me out at Big Beard RC on Facebook, let me know of anywhere that you know of that do them. I'm not going to put the balls on because I've got some metal tie rods that I'm going to fit. So dead easy. Push them in, pop the screw through. Oh, come on. Oh, helps if you had to have it lined up, doesn't it? So this is, I'm not going to fit all these parts. If in a minute I will. There we go. I will show you what came with it. So the massive amount of 30 English pounds, I got 4 new shocks, the hubs which you see them, new drive shaft. I got tie rods, better versions without the spinny bits. I got some steering arms, the metal centre plate, some dog bones, metal arms front and rear, shock towers, some metal 7mm adapters which I won't be using, some diff cups. We got some drive cups and diff cups and more drive cups. So I'm thinking to put that bag in instead of metal. And we got some gears, but they're the 7.9, not the 7.9B. So I'm waiting on some of them. I think they've put that bag in by mistake. They should have been the bag of bearings. Not to worry. Sure we can get some. So using my trusty car air freshener till I get my stand. But I have heard today that the stands are rubbish. So the jury's out on that at the moment. So they go in there like that. One on each side, I presume. Steering. They go like that. That's better, right? So it'd have been better if I'd have actually looked or remembered when the other ones came off. But we'll get there in the end. We always do. So we need a little screw. In there. So there's one in. Not going to tighten it up because we don't want to over tighten. So another screw in there. Tighten up. I'm going to go mad. not going to go mad on these because they tend to bind and then you get no steering. I will thread lock them at some point. Not right this minute though. Got to remember how they fit first. So I'm thinking, from not remembering, that's how they go. And there. Hold that there. And there. Like so. So I have I'll make these so fiddly. Too tiny these guys for my big hands. There we go. So there we go. Yeah, that's right. Steering arm. And then we'll have a rod there, goes to there. Rod that goes from there to there. The steering. So let's see if this side's as easy. Put that in there. So I'm just going to push this back so we can see what we're doing. So we put the bushing in one side. Let me just get that in there. Have a screw. Goes in there. Screw that together. Nice and neat. And then screw in there. Really is annoying me that. Really is annoying me that they didn't send the bearings. I was hoping to possibly get this running this weekend. Put that there. We seem to be out of screws, which wouldn't surprise me with this kit. By the far along the way I'm missing a lot more than that. So I do have some more screws somewhere. Right there. I've got lots of these screws knocking them out, so it's not as if I'm struggling, but obviously if you haven't, then it's going to be annoying. Not as annoying as not getting any bearings like, but it would still be rather annoying. So I'm really enjoying being out in my little workshop, rather than having to wait till the kids go to bed, or the missus wants to play on the Xbox or watch something. Gives me the opportunity to get out, make some videos, spend some alone time out here. A little man cave. Real, love it. So there we go. Hubs, they're fitted. They look good. But there if we had bearings. But what I'm going to do is, I am going to, until I get them, fit the little washers that come with it instead, so we can get it up and running. So that's as much as we're going to do on this one. The next one we're going to change shock towers and these mounts. the suspension on, and then we can start assembling and getting everything finished off. So I'm going to call it quits on this video from here. So thanks for watching as normal. Check us out on Facebook at Big Beard RC. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Smash that notification button so you can keep up with all future content. I'll bid you farewell. Take care, everyone.